getting some stuff. Hubby is going backwards.
I didn't do anything though.
You did pay for it?
No, I didn't pay for it.
Ayan, ang ganda guys. Your power. Best friend ni Mister. Single pa guys na apam. Sino naghahanap ng apam? Ayan, oh my flowers si Mister. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today is March 6, 2025 and it's my day off, spending time with my lovely kitties and watching TV with coffee. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing well.
A few inches later.
Mag-isa tayo ng chili corn tuna. Ayan, nabili namin to sa Eli's Oriental Store. Lagyan ko na guys ng sayote. Lagyan natin ng kaunting kimchi. Nabili to ni Mr. sa Costco, guys. So, ito na siya, guys. Sure magustuhan to ni Mr. kasi gusto niya rin yung kimchi. Kain si Mr. ng kimchi. He's here.
I bring stuff for you.
What are those, my love?
Cookie.
Thank you. You don't have to buy me cookie. Croissant. Hey, for break. What is that? Oh no. I guess this is it. I've been waiting for this for so long. What are those?
It's dried bananas and dried apples.
Oh, from Mart.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And
Marley was waiting for you.
You are waiting, Mama?
Yeah. Wow. I'm excited to open this. This is it. Pancit. I'm so excited.
What did you get?
I don't know. That's why I'm opening it.
Somebody's excited.
Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait. We're gonna rip it. I see it already. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Passport. My US passport.
The next day.
Morning. Look at the sunrise, guys. So beautiful when I'm going to work. 7:28 a.m.
2,000 years later.
We're here in Target. California.
Yep.
Hubby is going to Target. Okay, we're getting some stuff. Hubby is going backwards. More candies. Funny birthday though. They're all like funny birthdays. Start. We're out of Target. Yay! Uwian na. Let's go. Sunset. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
I owe you.
I didn't do anything though.
Yeah, you did pay for it. We're going home. Hi guys, we just got home from Target. Mag-haul tayo guys. Nag-shopping kami sa Target. And then, yeah, I will show you. Dalawang bags lang guys. And the receipt here. Bumili kami ng stuff. So, ayan. Sa Starbucks Target guys, ito nabili ko. Starbucks cup. It will add to my collection. Tingnan nyo, super cute. Mermaid. And guess how much it is. Ayan. $19.95. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng loob niya. Parang, tapos I think pwede mo to tanggalin yung straw at saka gawing tumbler. Ayan. Ito yung loob niya. Parang marble yung design niya. Ang ganda. Hindi ko sana bibilihan guys kasi ang mahal. Sabi ko kay hubby, pass sana ako. Kasi mostly ng mga Starbucks cups nasa $20 siya. Yung isa nga, 29 bucks yun eh. Sobrang mahal. So, ito. Then next, namili kami ng mga pangregalo ko sa aking boss at sa aking coworker guys. So, bumili ako ng dalawang birthday bag. Lalagay ko dito. Then, bumili din ako ng party banner. I-hang ko to sa classroom tomorrow pagdating ko. Kasi birthday ni Miss Daniela. Yung co-teacher ko. So, ilalagay ko to. Yan siya. And then, nakita ko to. Ayan, ang ganda guys. Girl power. Ayan, nasa $12 ata to. Binili ni Mr. for me. Siya yung nabayad. Ganda, pang display. Then, binilan ko si Miss Daniela ng, ayan, hair clip. Haba yung buhok niya. Tapos, ito siya, binili ko sa kanya. Ito. Para baka gusto niya gumawa ng bracelet for her kids. And then, binilan ko sila ng cups. Isa-isa sa kanila ng boss ko. So, for my boss, letter N. Yung name niya, nag-start ng N. And then, para pag nagkape, ayan. And then, letter D for Miss Daniela. Ayan. And then, bumili rin ako ng Ferrero Rocher. Ayan. Milk and hazelnut and almond. And then, ito, white hazelnut. Ayan. Then, bumili ako ng cards. Ayan, tig-isa-isa sa kanila. Happy birthday. And then, happy birthday. Ayan. Diba, ang bait ko, no? Charot. Sabi ni Mr. Sobrang bait mo naman. Ayan, dito binilihan ko ng boss ko na, ayan, parang long sleeve siya na, ayan, pang spring, guys. Mahilig kasi siya ganito, parang 3/4 ba? Yung dito lang. Ayan. So, nasa $11 ito, guys. Ayan, $11. Nasa clearance nga ito, $22, naging 11 na lang. So, yan yung binili ko. And then, second bag, ito lang. Second bag tayo, guys. Sorry ha, ang likot pa. So, bumili kami ng sparkling blush. Tigda dalawang sparkling blush. Ayan, nasa clearance siya. Nasa $3.22 na lang siya. Ayan. Dadalhin ko to ang isa tomorrow sa work, sa preschool. And then, ito yung dalawa. Yung, anong flavor to? Sparkling pear cider. Ayan. Sparkling cider. Pear cider. Ayan. Dalawa din. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung target haul natin. Konti lang naman siya, guys. And, yung binayaran ni Mr. is may nasa $96.56 si Mr. yung nagbayad niyan. Thank you sa sponsor. Babe, thank you for paying it.
I didn't pay anything.
Hindi daw siya nagbayad. Charot. Say hi.
Hi.
Nandun si Mr. Nanood ng TV. So, yun lang, guys, yung target haul natin. Grabe, gulo ng buko, guys. Galing pa ako ng work. And then, dumiritso na kami sa Target. Nasa alas 7:16 na dito. Ayan. 7:16 na dito. Pero ang liwanag pa, guys, kasi daylight saving. Kamusta kayong lahat? Napagod din ba kayo sa pag-change ng time? Kasi ako sobrang nakakapagod, guys. Kasi pag gabi, hindi ako makatulog na maaga. Tapos natutulog ako almost 11:30 na siya or 12. Tapos maaga ako nagising alas 6. Grabe. Parang pag nag-alarm ako, pinapatay ko. Snooze. Hanggang sa malilate na ako. Kasi 7:30 yung work ko. Ay, naku. Pero pag lumabas kami ng apartment, madilim pa dito, guys. Grabe. Pero pag off ko, maliwanag pa siya. Hanggang 7 ata pasado yung yung sunset. So, kamusta yung daylight saving ninyo? Na ano rin ba kayo? Napapagod? Kasi late na siya nagsa-sunset. Ay. Pero madaming activities, 'di ba? So, yun lang, guys. Magpe-prepare muna kami ng dinner para makapagpahinga na kami. Yun lang yung target haul natin. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye! And may pa-flower yung friend ni Mr. May palibring flower for us. Ang sweet naman ito. Thank you, Louis! Ayan, nalanta na siya, guys. Oh, kanina niya pa ito binigay. Best friend ni Mr. Single pa, guys, na apam. Sino naghahanap ng apam? Ayan, oh, may pa-flower si Mr. Flowers ng friendship ni Mr. guys. Hindi nilagay ni Mr. sa vase kaya nalanta na. Nalanta na siya, oh. So, ito na yung pa-flowers natin, guys. Galing sa best friend ni Mr. Nalanta na kasi hindi niya nilagay sa vase. Ay, ay, ay. So, dito na lang natin siya ipatong. Kasi kakainin niya ng pusa, guys. So, nalanta na siya, oh. Yan. May pa-flowers. Fresh flowers. So, nasulatan ko na yung cards for my coworker and para sa aking boss, guys. So, yan na. Tapos na. Good night. Thank you for watching.